Hi all, I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in our previous videos, we have discussed about variance, standard deviations and IQR and percentiles, and we have discussed all those things theory part, and also like we have solved few problems using pen and the paper, right? So in this video, we will try to see how can we calculate this or how can we calculate the variance, standard deviations and IQR using Python programming language. Okay. So here I have opened the Jupyter notebook. Okay. So first let me import pandas. Okay. Now I have a data set. So let me import the data set. I will show you that. Yes, pd.read csv. We have a data set called, I believe it's state crime data set. So I have a folder called data set where I have state crime.csv. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, so this is my data set. So based on this column, this feature data.populations, we are going to calculate variance, standard deviations and IQR. Okay, so for that, this is very easy. So we can use data frame dot population dot std. So this will give standard deviation of this particular feature. Okay, so to get the variance, okay, what we can do, we can have df.var. So this will give us variance of all the columns. Okay, so to get the population, we can take data.population. So this is the variance of this particular feature. Okay, so next we can see how can we calculate IQR. Okay, so for that there is a data frame provides us a method called quantile. Okay, so here we can give the percentage. So this will give us the 75% quartile. Okay, so what is IQR? IQR is difference of third quartile minus the first quartile, right? So what I can do, I can take this 75 minus, I can give 25. Now I can print the IQR. So this is the IQR of that particular data. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, this can be done like in a fraction of a second. Okay, we can calculate everything using this particular data framework. Okay, so that is all in this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.